Have you ever wondered what it's like to visit the beautiful Capri Island? Tucked away in the azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea, off Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, lies the enchanting Capri Island. This gem of the Mediterranean is a paradise rich in natural beauty, steeped in history, and bursting with vibrant culture. Capri's story is as captivating as its scenery. Its history stretches back to the ancient times when Roman emperors, smitten by the island's allure, established it as their luxurious retreat. It's said that Emperor Augustus traded the larger island of Ischia for Capri, such was his love for the place. Over the centuries, Capri's allure has remained undiminished. It has served as an idyllic refuge for artists, writers, and the glitterati, all drawn to its stunning landscapes and tranquil charm. Today, Capri is a must-visit destination, a place where the magic of the past mingles with the vibrancy of the present. It's a feast for the senses. The sight of dramatic cliffs plunging into the crystal-clear sea, the sound of waves lapping against the shore, and the scent of lemons and flowers filling the air. But Capri is not just about the stunning vistas, it's also about the rich cultural tapestry. Here you'll find a unique blend of Italian charm and cosmopolitan sophistication. The island's narrow streets are lined with chic boutiques, charming cafes, and gourmet restaurants serving delectable Italian cuisine. And let's not forget about the locals, whose warmth and hospitality add to the island's irresistible charm. A visit to Capri is like stepping into a living postcard, a place where every turn reveals a new surprise. It's a paradise that invites you to explore, to relax, and to immerse yourself in the magic. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, Capri has something to offer you. It's an island that captures the heart, a place that once visited is never forgotten. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the heart of the Mediterranean. Imagine yourself stepping off the boat and onto the sun-soaked shores of Capri. Your footprints mark the beginning of an unforgettable journey on this enchanting island. Capri, a slice of paradise nestled in Italy's Bay of Naples, is a treasure trove of experiences, each more captivating than the last. First on the list, the Blue Grotto. This is not just an ordinary sea cave but a mesmerizing natural spectacle. As your boat slips through the narrow entrance, the cave unfolds into a shimmering sapphire wonderland. The sunlight reflecting through the seawater paints the cave walls in a surreal blue glow. Here, time seems to hold its breath, and all you can do is marvel at the magic of Mother Nature. Next, take a leisurely stroll through the Gardens of Augustus. Conceived in the early 20th century, this lush green oasis offers a refreshing contrast to the azure sea. The terraces brimming with vibrant flowers and foliage seem to cascade down the cliffside. As you wander through the winding paths, the scent of blooming geraniums and dahlias fills the air. The gardens also offer an unrivaled view of the famous Faraglione rock formations, a sight that will leave you spellbound. Finally, indulge in a spot of shopping at the chic boutique stores lining Via Camarelle. This charming street, known for its high-end fashion and artisanal crafts, is the heart of Capri's shopping scene. Whether you're seeking the latest Italian designer wear or unique handcrafted souvenirs, Via Camarelle has it all. The cobblestone streets peppered with quaint cafes and gelaterias add to the allure, making it the perfect way to end your day. Capri, with its stunning natural beauty and vibrant local culture, is more than just a destination. It's a symphony of experiences that touch your soul and stay with you long after you've left its shores. Each corner of Capri offers a new adventure waiting to be discovered. Capri is not just about the sun and the sea, it's also about the rich history and iconic landmarks. Let's delve into some of the most iconic landmarks that have shaped Capri's identity over the centuries. First on our list is the Villa Jovis, a sprawling Roman palace perched on the eastern edge of the island. This was the opulent retreat of Emperor Tiberius, who ruled the Roman Empire from this very spot nearly 2,000 years ago. As you stroll through the ancient ruins, you're not just walking on old stones, you're walking through the pages of history. You can almost hear the echoes of Roman senators debating and the clinking of wine goblets from lavish banquets. Now let's shift our focus to something natural yet equally iconic: the Faraglione. These are three towering rock formations that majestically rise from the sea, each with its own name: Stella, Faraglione di Mezzo, and Faraglione di Fuori. They're not just awe-inspiring to look at, they're also home to a unique blue lizard species found nowhere else in the world. As you sail around these rocky giants, you're reminded of Capri's raw, untamed beauty. And of course, no visit to Capri is complete without a stop at the Piazzetta. This small square is the social heart of the island, bustling with life day and night. It's surrounded by charming cafes and chic boutiques, but the real star of the show is the clock tower, standing sentinel over the square. The Piazzetta is more than just a meeting place, it's a symbol of Capri's vibrant community spirit. So whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a social butterfly, Capri's landmarks have something for everyone. They're more than just points on a map, they're stories etched in stone and sea, waiting to be discovered. These landmarks are the heart and soul of Capri, encapsulating its history and charm. No visit to Capri would be complete without indulging in the island's mouth-watering cuisine. A true statement indeed, as the island's culinary landscape offers a smorgasbord of gastronomic delights that are as vibrant and inviting as the crystal-clear waters surrounding this Mediterranean gem. Let's start with the classic caprese salad, a dish that proudly bears the island's name. Imagine this: fresh, juicy tomatoes, soft buffalo mozzarella, aromatic basil leaves, all drizzled with the finest olive oil. It's a simplistic yet delightful symphony of flavors that's as refreshing as the island breeze. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Be prepared to be bewitched by the tangy sweetness of limoncello, a lemon liqueur that's as sunshine yellow as the island's famous lemons. Sip on this sweet citrusy elixir and you'll understand why it's considered liquid sunshine. It's a taste of Capri in a glass, a vibrant reminder of the island's citrus groves. And let's not forget the seafood pasta. The island's location in the heart of the Tyrrhenian Sea ensures a bounty of the freshest seafood, which finds its way into a myriad of pasta dishes. Picture this: al dente pasta, succulent mussels, juicy prawns, all bathed in a rich tomato sauce. It's a dish that's as hearty as it is flavorful, a testament to Capri's love for the sea. To truly experience the island's gastronomy, a visit to popular dining spots like La Capanina and Da Paolino is a must. At La Capanina, the island's culinary traditions are celebrated with a menu that's as diverse as it is delectable. And at Da Paolino, dining under a canopy of lemon trees is an experience that's as magical as it sounds, the perfect setting for a feast of Capri's finest. The culinary journey in Capri is as exciting and diverse as the island itself. So are you ready to embark on this flavorful adventure? Capri awaits, and its culinary delights are ready to enamor your taste buds. As the sun sets on the beautiful island of Capri, it's time to reflect on the magical journey. Let's take a moment to look back at our Capri adventure. We've traversed the island, soaking in its splendors and immersing ourselves in its rich culture and history. We've marveled at the azure waters, explored the hidden corners, and indulged in the vibrant local cuisine. We started our journey by immersing ourselves in the magic of Capri. We discovered that this island, with its breathtaking landscapes and tranquil blue waters, is more than just a summer retreat. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature and find a sense of peace that's hard to come by in the hustle and bustle of modern life. Then, we dived into the unforgettable experiences that Capri has to offer. From the exhilarating boat rides around the island to the quaint chairlift ride up to Monte Solaro, every moment on this island is a memory waiting to happen. We also discovered that the island's beauty isn't limited to its landscapes. Its rich history and vibrant culture are equally captivating, making Capri a destination that caters to all tastes. We then turned our attention to the iconic landmarks that make Capri so special. We explored the grandeur of Villa Jovis, marveled at the natural beauty of the Blue Grotto, and took a stroll through the charming streets of Capri. Each landmark, with its unique story and charm, added a new dimension to our Capri experience. Of course, we couldn't forget about the flavors of Capri. We savored the island's signature dishes, from the fresh seafood to the sweet delicacies. Each bite was a celebration of the island's rich culinary heritage, adding another layer to our Capri adventure. Whether you're looking for adventure, history, or gastronomy, Capri Island has it all, so why wait? Start planning your trip to this Mediterranean paradise today.